Hi there, Ryan from Skye Avionics. Wanted to show you our latest project we just completed here. It's a G3X, a GI-275, and a 750 with the remote transponder and audio panel. So this whole panel is for a PA32-300, a Cherokee 6. So we've also here at Skye Avionics, we CNC'd the whole panel out of one piece of aluminum, put in some structure in behind it. We've flush mounted all the switches, and then we've engraved the lettering for all the switches and then the circuit breaker panel. So it makes a really nice, beautiful setup. So we've wired the whole thing, we've tested it, we've programmed it here in the shop, so then we can ship this off to the aircraft. Makes the installation of the aircraft go relatively simple and straightforward. All the headset jacks are wired in here, everything. So it makes for just a nice setup and easy installation. And this G3X is just awesome, and how everything's talking. So we were able to perform all the ADS-B tests, verify everything here in the shop. So we know that when the installation time comes, it's going to go very simple. So thanks for viewing, and we'll show you some other projects in the future.